Hello everyone, welcome to the Like channel. And today I will start to going to discuss the admission about the PhD admission with academic year 21 and 22 with the JRF. So this institute basically has a great history, and I will discuss the basically the great history upon this institute. So basically standing tall since early decades of the 20th century, the institute is stating that through the different milestones changes has encouraged with the one of the most prominent institute of the technical colleges. So here I will discuss the 23 departments in which different kinds of the PhD admissions will be started for this year. Basically, this is department consists of the basic branches of the engineering, applied sciences, management, studies, and humanities. So basically, start the latest information through this channel. If you are new subscriber to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe because will get the regular notification about the PhD admissions. So in this channel, we will validate the information through different websites, and I will provide the different 100% correct information for the admissions, and I will also provide the complete details about the admissions cutoff and various criteria. So let's start the video. So this PhD admission notification will be started from IIT, Indian Institute of Dhanbad, which is called also the Indian Schools of Mines, offers the different PhD admissions in 23 departments, and the PhD candidates will receive institute assistantship as per Ministry of Education. Okay, so in this institute, the last date of the admission is 5th of May 21, and the application fees for the general and OBC and EWS candidates is 2000 rupees, and the application fees of the SC, ST and the female candidates is 1000 rupees. Okay, so you will get the details. Next one, I will also discuss the list of different departments where the PhD admissions is already available. So in this criteria, there is a first general scenario, that is the applied geology, and after that the applied geology. The next one is applied geophysics, and the chemical engineering will start after that. Chemistry is also available for the PhD admission, and computer science engineering is also available for the PhD admissions as well. And on the sixth footprint is civil engineering and electronics engineering is also there. Electrical engineering and humanities social sciences for the English language and literatures are also available for the admissions. In a next scenario, environmental science and engineering, environmental science and engineering with the specialization environmental science and engineering is also available for the PhD admission. After that, fuel, mineral and metallurgical engineering is also available. Then management studies, industrial engineering and management. After that, the management studies and management, mathematics and computing and mathematics. Okay, so these are the prominent branches in which various kind of the admissions are available. And after that, mechanical engineering, mining, machinery engineering, mining engineering, petroleum engineering. After that, the physics. And the next, humanities, social sciences, philosophy, humanities and social sciences, psychology, and mathematics and computer statics. So these are the major branch in which different kinds of the PhD admissions are available. Then after that, we will also focus on the what kind of the institute assistantship is also provided. So basically, this institute may provide a full-time PhD students who have qualified GATE or any other eligibility national level examination for the financial assistantship. Okay, if you are graduate from the IIT and you have a CGPA greater than or equal to the 8.0, so you are absolutely to do PhD from here, and the PhD students will be awarded the assistantship for a period of 5 years based on the performance of every year. So the every year performance will be measured in a different scenario. You have the credit score in your different semester wise papers. So all the important notification I will be validated through the website. So let's go to the ISM Dhanbad. So this is the website. If you are clearly okay, I will zoom it. So okay, this is the website. So at the major page of the website, the notification is also coming. First, uh, this is the blinking line. On that, you will reach at the online application for the admission in MTech for the session 21 and 22 is open now. Here is also open for the MTech admissions, and the PhD admissions is also available. So this is the PhD fellowship. All the information are measured in their websites also, and I will also provide the link of this PDF in my description box. You may check out there. Okay, so notification for the PhD admission 21 and 22 is also available. So click on that button. After clicking the that information, you will reach out the commencement of the application online PhD mission. So the PhD program is in engineering, science, humanities, social science, and management. You will okay. And the foreign and NRI PIO candidates are requested to see the website for foreign students. You may check out there also. Important links are also available for the assistantship, for online application, and instruction for online payment of the application. So you may check out there. If you have any query regarding the admission, so you may contact the Deputy Registrar, Exam and Academic, Indian Institute of Technology, ISM Dhanbad, Jharkhand. So there's all the information I will cover in my this video, and if you face any type of problem and query, so you are free to comment me. I will definitely answer that query. So thank you so much guys for being here, and patience for listening me. Thank you so much for being here. Have a nice day. Till then, bye bye.